When I was a kid, I grew up on this.
Yeah.
We like it more with cottage cheese and
More savory.
feta cheese.
What are they called in your language?
Petula kolozego.
Okay, that sounds great.
Vince is at home.
Welcome to Vince's at Home. I'm Giancarlo.
I'm Kristen.
I'm Suela.
Suela, this is your first time with us?
Yes.
But many people from our Tottenham and Uxbridge location might recognize you. Suela makes amazing meal combinations for us.
Thank you.
You do a great job. And you've been with us for a long time now.
9 years.
Wow.
Suela is from
Albania.
Albania. How long have you been in Canada?
20 years.
Holy cow. I said, so what's something that you always make at home? What's something that's traditional for you? And you said, let's make some
Crêpes. Petula kolozego.
petula kolojego.
Petola, kolojego.
Amazing. Okay, let's get started. What's that?
So this is the flour.
No. What's the cup?
Oh, it's a cup.
So,
You know what I mean? Oh my goodness, Giancarlo. You better cut that part. Even when I work for the Vince's, when I prepare food, I don't measure anything. I just see by eye, I taste it.
Yeah, and if it
And
tastes
that's
good?
it. If it tastes good, that's it.
yeah.
Okay, so 1.5 cup
Yes,
of
so
whatever
now-
cup you're working with.
And
Okay.
now we're gonna put 1.5 cups meal,
So
the
equal
same.
parts flour and milk.
2 eggs. Again, I add 1 cup of water. Salt. I just need actually
Just a pinch.
Yes. And I need to melt this little bit, and
You're
I put it
melting
in
it?
here.
So just a thin layer. How do you know when it's ready?
You can see that when this
The
is
edges
like,
get crispy?
more crispy.
Okay.
Oh, look at that. It's
Look
so
at
easy.
that, it just comes right off. Or that must be your special touch. I would
No,
butcher
really.
that for sure. Those are beautiful. Can I try one? I want to see if
Sure.
I can do it.
No problem. Just, yes, little butter. You see? Easy.
Is that enough?
Oh, yeah.
See, she makes it look so easy.
I know.
It's not easy.
It's very easy.
Flip it.
No, not yet.
It's time.
I don't think so.
It's burning. Well, that was smart.
You did a good job. Here I make you this one for your Nutella. This
My
is more
Nutella one?
crispy.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. This is actually kind of fun. You can have a little fun with it.
I get to try this one now?
Yeah, you get the Nutella one.
Ooh.
You like it?
That's really good.
Yeah?
Ricotta cheese with the sugar,
With a
like
little
a kind
bit-
of
so
dessert.
sweet.
Yes. So you can use it for breakfast, for dinner. You can use a dessert. You can use for both.
Did you try this?
Okay.
Mix in here feta cheese with the cottage cheese together
Ricotta cheese.
with ricotta cheese. Here in Canada, it's lots of kind of cheeses, and in Albania we call one kind of cheese.
Cheese.
Okay.
It's true.
Well, cottage cheese is different than ricotta cheese.
Could you use cottage cheese too?
Oh yes,
Cheese is cheese.
cheese.
Remember?
Yes, cheese is cheese.
Okay.
We're gonna make ready the garlic and the butter together, so to put it on the crepes. The garlic butter, yes,
On the bottom,
on the bottom, and we're gonna put this in here
more garlic butter.
and some cheese in here.
Cheese. Oh, and now another one goes on top. And you're gonna put some more garlic butter on top, of course.
Is it like a pie?
Yeah, it's like a pie.
Like you guys say, it's a pizza. We don't have a pizza. We have this.
These are all flavors I like.
But the good thing is because you can make it with the cheese and spinach, you can make it with ground
Yes.
beef if you want, you can make it with mushrooms.
Anything.
Like with anything, you can do the filling.
You're gonna keep going?
Yes.
I'm having deja vu right now. Suela and I did this in a different life somewhere.
Oh,
This
really?
makes, yep.
Oh, so you're cutting strips.
Yeah,
It is a pie.
yes.
Yeah.
But it's called petula kolozego, not pie.
So this is dinner.
So we ate our dessert first. We couldn't wait, that's why.
I know.
So it looks like a little lasagna, kind of.
Yes, I like feedback too.
You want people to say, oh my God, it's so delicious?
I mean, not delicious if you don't like it.
This is delicious. Good job.
Very good.
This is amazing. The family would love doing this. They can make their own. Good job.
Thank you so
Thank you so
much.
much.
Thank you.